Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have puppets. Not that much, but I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm excited. So let's get to it. Okay, the camera dropped. First, we're gonna start with the little one. First, we have the unicorn puppet. This side is the bad side. You can't even hear anything. I got some hair on it. Hopefully that's not my hair. Well, hopefully it is my hair because I don't want anyone's hair to be on my hair. Do you hear that popping noise? Oh yeah, that's so sad. Okay, now we're gonna start with the mediumist. This one is my, favorite because it has a lot. But wait until the end. Pop. Okay. This side is the bad side. Hate to lie, but it actually is the bad side. Okay. What am I doing just sitting here? Okay, hear the popping noise. So satisfying. Okay, so this is a apple one, and this is a unicorn one because it has pink. You guys can't really see the pink because it's hiding somewhere. And we have purple and blue because it's the unicorn colors. So now let's get on with that. If you guys seen this on YouTube or TikTok, these are really cool. So if you're mad, everyone will know that you're mad. But if you're happy, everyone will know that you're happy. So yeah, it's really cool. And I'm happy right now because I'm making this YouTube video. It doesn't mean. Okay, guys, I hope you're excited for this one because I never got this one in my life. So ta-da! Oh, I can't even see the screen. Okay, here is the jumbo poppet. Okay, I can't pop all of this because it would take days. So, yeah. So, all of these poppets, these poppets, they are going to be on Wish, Google.com, or you can buy them on Amazon. You can buy this on Amazon, I think, too, or you can buy them at the mall, Katie Mills. And I bought this at what is it called? A store, whatever. I don't care. And I bought this one at a mall. I bought this one at Katie Mills Malls. And we bought this one at Katie Mills Malls as well. Oh, and guys, I have the new iPad. Well, not the new one, but the iPad Pro Max. Well, not a Pro Max, but with the 2 camera. And I have the Apple Pencil. Let me get it out. The Apple Pencil. I just forgot the charger, that's it. At my dad's house. But I'm not where my dad is. Okay. Well, yeah. And guess what, guys? It's the 4th, and then the 5th, and then the 6th, And then the 7th, I go to Mexico. Woo! I am so excited to go to Mexico. So, ow. I'm literally pulling my ears. Okay, guys. Hope I see you guys in this next video. And hope you guys subscribe. Comment down below if you guys know what puppets are. You can just pop them. And they're really cool. You can even fidget trade. So, yeah, if you want that to happen, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and subscribe to the donut